My name is Ngô Đức Hiếu, and today here's my reflection about how I feel, what I have learned in supply chain technologies. First, let's come to the introduction. From classes delivered by my lecturer, Mr. Cheng Bun, I have recently noticed that I have done some further research about technologies from all around the world, and especially the technologies can solve problems in logistics. Through class discussion and my research, I have received knowledge and noticed that technologies are all around us and they are rapidly developing and really fast. I realized that as a logistics student and a future logistics workforce, learning how to apply technology into logistics is really important. My two most favorite class delivered by Mr. Cheng Bun was the class about AI and IoT. The, these two technologies are already prevail. However, there's still many more creative way to to innovate these technologies and helps business to solve their problems. In this reflection, I would like to reveal how I feel about the course and also my perspective of the role of the technology in supply chain. Furthermore, I would like to talk about my experience with technologies uh, and turn it to a cohesive picture, and finally break it down, see if there's any potential problems. First is my personal idea and experience. My family have a family business. They are selling cigarettes, and they are still doing it the traditional way. They record information with notebooks and Excel, and they store it in hardware, which is really hard to, and they don't share it. Share accountants don't share information to each other regularly. And also even we have big contract and big shipment, we are still doing it traditional way, just write it down in the notebook, and this lead to many mistakes and loss in revenue, and my family could not find where is the mistake come from, and the workers start to have doubt on each other, think that someone did something wrong. I came up with an idea that adopting cloud technology. We started to build a cloud-based recording platform, and also IoT camera that I can supervise employees anywhere in real time, continue data. Most of the shipments are public on the cloud, and they are recorded not only by numbers, not only by text, but also by image, which that notebook can do, and it's helped my company to gain back the lost revenue and also reduce errors from shipment. Although it's not a special idea and many companies have done it, my family still think that it is a great innovation for my family business, and it is really good to catch up with the new era. The impact of the technologies and social business. At start of every session, Mr. Ban always start with a mini case, asking about how an IoT can help oyster farm, as is a really good case. IoT's items such as log and sensors can provide real-time data and really help the business to control the quality and the security of the product. Uh, According to Jessica Nederson, there are some main impact of technology on business, which are globalization, collaboration, cybersecurity, storage, and customer service. Uh, there are some signature go with it, such as globalization with IT, collaboration with cloud such as Google Meet, and also Google Drive. Cybersecurity, that he mentioned it today about honey trap and virus detector. To CSR, the case is much more simple. We to develop the good CSR system, we also need a good business, and a good business can run without a good technology, such as risk management is really hard to manage without information management, and in order to do that, IT is a great supporter. Ethical behavior of employee cannot be achieved without a good company traditional, and this and also supervised, and this can be achieved with and IoT with cameras and maybe AI. Let's come to cohesive picture and assumption. In my opinion, technology are prevailing in every part of our life and improving them also. Effectively implying technology can significantly increase business and strongly and sustainably. Also, it has some downside because it's really expensive and it may not suitable for some kind of business. My short-term idea will be implementing AI and IoT to help improve my customer service for my family business. However, there's still some potential problems because most of the workforce are the old generation, and it's really hard to make them adapt to the new technologies. Uh, the knowledge I have learned in this course is really valuable for my personal life. Knowing, understanding how technology work offer me more solution when dealing with problems at work and daily life, especially in my major, which is logistic supply chain. In the near future, this knowledge can help me to imply my career and also my daily life. Thank you for